deleted a file from Mega by accident, there may still be a way to get it back. In this guide, I'll show you how to find deleted files in Mega's trash, restore them to your cloud drive, and check what to do if the file is no longer available. So let's get started. First, open Mega and sign in to the account where the deleted file was stored. Once you're inside the cloud drive, look through the navigation panel for the trash or rubbish bin. The exact name can depend on the Mega interface you're using. Open the trash and browse through the deleted items. Look for the file or folder you want to recover. Check its name and details carefully before selecting it. If there are many items, use any available search or sorting features to narrow things down. Once you find the correct file, select it and open the available actions or context menu. Look for Restore, Move, or similar recovery option. Mega's menus can change over time, so the exact wording may be slightly different on your screen. If Mega asks where you want to restore the file, choose the original folder or another location in your cloud drive. Confirm the destination and allow the recovery process to finish. Then return to that folder and check that the file is back where you expect it. Now open the recovered file and make sure it works properly. Check the file name, format, and contents. For a folder, open a few important files inside it to confirm everything you need was restored. Yeah, a quick check here can save you trouble later. If the file isn't in the trash, or it has already been permanently removed, the normal recovery option may no longer be available. Check other Mega folders, synced devices, and separate backups for another copy, so don't rely on the trash as your only backup. And that's how to recover an available deleted file from Mega's trash. Open the trash, find the item, restore it to your cloud drive, and verify the result. If the file is permanently gone, a separate backup may be your best option. Pretty simple once you know where to look.